is. Alright, now I just gotta put in the thumbnail and stuff. Alright.
Yeah, they have like, I don't know. I can't see what, 1, 2, 3, 4.
Does mine still have a delay?
I like, yeah, it has a little delay, but I kind of like it like that though.
Like how many? Like 5 seconds?
It's probably like 5, less than 10 for sure, but for sure
Alright, we'll,
5
we'll
seconds.
try it now.
5, less than 10 for sure, but for sure 5 seconds.
Ready, set, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, 4 second delay. Fire. Okay.
Good. Like if it's like 10 or if it's past 5, I think it's gonna be like pushing
Yeah,
it.
no, over like 10 is crazy, bro.
Well, like yeah, if 10 is like, dude, you're dead ass gonna be talking, and then you have to sit there and just stare at your fucking chat.
Yeah.
But I'm in these shorts. Dude, price moves so much. I didn't genuinely think there was fucking 100-point move right here. It's big thing. Holy shit! Holy shit! Holy shit! It's echoing.
Oh no, I just unmuted and muted myself.
Okay.
We are live. How many people joined off the notification? One day I'm just not gonna announce.
I don't know. I have 160 right now. 150, something like that.
Yeah. I'm thinking about. I want to. One day I'm just gonna stop posting like that in my Telegram and everything.
Once you have the schedule set up and everything, and everyone's like, okay, these guys actually do this every single day, blah blah blah. Then it's like, okay, cool. Then they'll understand.
Keep your text.
Yeah. Yeah, a schedule for this.
I'm glad we both picked up.
I think we're probably gonna. I know. For this, I think we're gonna do. You do like this time, or should we do it an hour later?
I honestly I like 9. I'm fine with 10 too.
But we could low-key just run it for. We could low-key run it just for 3 hours rather than just 2.
Yeah.
You know.
Mm-hmm.
Because like it's best of both worlds. Like what's it gonna hurt? We're already gonna be up.
Yeah.
Might as well, you know.
Mm-hmm. I don't give a fart. 100 likes in Luke's stream right now, and then we'll consider. It's a give and take, guys. It's a give and take.
Indeed. Oh, bro, I'm not in shorts. I'm just drew this shit for fun. Yes, I'm in shorts. I wonder if me turning the VPN on would fry my my stream. Probably will, huh?
I don't know. Because your internet should still be fine. Oh, shit. Did you guys figure out how to give Joey's eval?
Say your phone.
I'll give it away today. Oh, you've been streaming for 20 minutes already? Hell yeah.
Yeah, I was on time. I was like, wait, is Shinobi streaming?
Yeah, I was, but I had to drive home, and I was like, you know what? Let me take care of my shitting situation first before anything else.
Eating situation.
No, I haven't even ordered food. Low key, we might.
I ordered Canes.
Bro, I had Canes today too.
Box or 3-piece?
Oh, I only got the 3-piece, and I ate 2 of the pieces.
Yo, why did my brother take my Amex?
Um, I don't know.
I just realized that.
Tell him to send it to me. Yo, guys, guys, we're doing a giveaway. Luke's Amex. Bro said quit capping. Bro, shut your ass up, man.
Holy
Bro
shit.
got the 5-finger combo. Bud, come on, buddy.
Yo.
In this economy, you think I'm getting the 5-finger combo?
Yo, I forgot my mic is loud as shit. Hello, hello.
It's not that loud.
No, for my stream because I turned it up.
Oh.
They're like, oh, da da da. I think I have like a 200% on my whatever the fuck.
How is this?
Is my brother profitable? Yeah. He's still profitable. He still trades. He's just honing in a lot more during summer because obviously in school that shit's pretty hard to do.
Man, fuck school, man.
Yeah. But it's cool though. He could say he got funded and paid out at the age of 15.
He's 15?
No, now 16. Yeah, he got paid out last year.
Bro. Low key. 720.7.
These shorts might get fried.
No, they will go.
What?
I'm looking at 720.75 for longs.
I want those lows taken out at 706.
If that happens, then we'll definitely get a larger move down.
100%.
But I like that little order block we got going.
But didn't they stop? Didn't they stop the tariff thingy?
Dude, they did a lot of bullshit.
Yeah.
36.75.
I'm pretty. Why the fuck is this dude named Luke Tran? Trust the process. 183 subs. Yeah, it's like a mix between two things. Like Nvidia obviously fucking boomed us, and then tariffs they halted it. So we'll see how that goes.
Guys, one thing about like even trading with like news and stuff is too many people are like, oh, we had good news here, we had bad news here, blah blah blah. Fuck all that, bro. Just look at the chart. As long as you're gonna have to trade the chart regardless. Like trading news, everyone has to realize price precedes news, right? So the chart is always gonna like the chart today was all giving bullish signals for the most part, right? All last night we were looking for bullish moves. The day before we were looking for bullish moves, right? Like the move up was already priced in for the most part. And if you guys look at and another thing about all like news events is like insiders always win, right? When you're trading news. You're not gonna win trading news unless you're the first one to get the news. So if you look at every single fund, if they disclose their positions, they were all loading that dip from the past few days, and they all accumulated at the bottom, and now they're probably taking off their positions here and leaving some to run, right? If we had to guess. So like news, it's like okay, we had good news, we had bad news. It doesn't none of that matters. All that matters is what the chart is saying, and if the chart is saying we're bullish or bearish, that's all that matters.
Yeah, Deadass goes. One of my mods goes, "Oh God, he's Indian." To not to you, to some dude in my chat.
Dang. When are the Kahoot giveaway winners getting their counts? Probably tomorrow morning.
I did them on Friday.
Oh, you're giving them off on Friday?
Get everyone stuff.
That actually might be better, so they have 2 days with the account before they start doing stupid stuff with it.
Yeah. I mean, most of the move is done. I don't want them to get chopped up, especially tonight or tomorrow. Might just be all chop, chop, chop. We might get another leg up, but realistically.
What firm is it with?
What is that? At least see us.
It's either with Apex or Alpha,
chop, chop.
But I'm probably gonna give you guys Alpha futures accounts because you guys just don't built different to trade Apex accounts. Why two limits? It could bounce from either of those areas. We'll have a. We both have. They both have order blocks there.
Bro.
What's this 4 hour look like? Holy.
What does the 4 hour look like?
Looks like we have equal highs as well. Oh, relative. Relative equal highs at 527. 22. Yeah, that's like. It's too far away for tonight. Might trade into that 4 hour untouched gap we left though. At the min.
180. 180 viewers. Swag.
Don't ever say swag again.
Yeah, that's fire.
Oh, that was crazy.
This is like the numbers keep on going up.
Yeah.
Cool. I like it.
It's good to see, bro.
100%. I should at least be seeing the likes go up. There's 100 people in here, almost 200. There's only 40 likes. Woo. Your son says hi. Woo. And backtesting, how far back do you look, for example? Da da da. I don't backtest. Backtesting's pretty dumb. Just forward test. Forward testing over backtesting. 10 out of 10 times.
You know something I've just come to start hating on?
What?
People, they'll do like these food reviewers. I'll be watching them and they'll be like, all right, rated out of 7. Like, bro, just rate it out of fucking 10. Stop trying to be different so much, bro. Like, I saw that shit today and it actually, like, just genuinely pissed me the fuck off today, bro. Like, I never get pissed off about shit, stupid shit like that. But the guy was like, yeah, we're going to rate it out of 7. I'm going to give it a 5.6 out of 7. Shut the fuck up, bro. Like, what are you doing?
Yeah, is my mic better now? My sound? Yeah. Yes, no.
Yo.
Someone said Shinobi crashes out about food.
I walked into that one, bro. I can't even be mad. Shinobi, can you bounce on it? What the fuck?
Oh my gosh.
Yo, Luke, when we hang out again, bro, we gotta get like the IRL toolkit and stream IRL, bro. It'll be so much fun.
That'd be funny.
Like once we get enough people on our lives, they just want to watch us for us. We get the IRL toolkit.
Then the percent went down from yesterday. About what, 75 people, 75% were green yesterday. But today, I guess people got chopped up. No bueno. Wait, this dude hopped in from your stream into mine asking me when the winners of the Kahoot will get their giveaway accounts.
Bro,
like he did not answer that shit twice.
Bro, they asked like 5 times in my thing.
Oh, whoops. Green as in yes. I don't know, it's pretty.
How do you identify bad market conditions? So the way I look at the market, right? Look at every 30 minutes, right? If market opens at 9:30 and it doesn't trade good from like just not making that many moves from 9:30 to 10, it's probably not going to trade well, right? Then the 4-hour candle closes and the new one opens at 10. You should usually see a good move there. So anytime a 4-hour candle opens up, a new one, you'll see a decent move. If that candle doesn't make a really good move or like a decent move, it's usually bad. But it's very easy to spot like bad market conditions. Like you trade it and an A+ setup that you usually take that hits 7 out of 10 times loses twice in a row, it's probably not a good setup, you know? How can you learn your strategy right now? You guys are watching me trade. You guys like slowly you guys will pick up on it. You know, you guys will pick up on how I trade.
Damn, my phone was at 10%. So what shall we ponder and do for a segment today?
Oh, we should get Powell on. Is he up? Use order footprints.
Oh no, it's
Yes.
3, 4 a.m. for him.
Bro, he was supposed to be on yesterday, bro. Tell that Norwegian to wake up. His first mistake was living in fucking Norway.
I don't want to call him.
I don't want to call him either. Who knows the amount of slurs he'll
It's
say.
Yeah, it's one of the riskiest things you could do in life. Call Powell while you're live streaming.
Bro, I called Dodgy today just to check up on him. You'll never believe what he was doing.
Yeah. You want me to mute or no?
Nah, he posted it on his Twitter. He posted his love life crisis on Twitter. Can you believe that?
Yeah, personally.
And then I told him, I was like, yo, I'm streaming. And then he went and said, bro, Peyton friend zoned me. And I'm like, dude.
Oh, bro, I was there. Yeah. I was there for that.
Yeah, bro. And I was like, what are you doing? Bro, I called Dodgy after this girl friend zones him. Mm-hmm. Bro, he's in Disney and then turns the camera around and she's there. And then I look at him and I was like, yo, as long as you're happy, bro. And then he calls me back. He's like, bro, promise you I'm cutting her off after this, bro. I promise you. I'm like, bro, don't promise me, bro. It doesn't matter to me. I'm like after what she put you through, bro, like, that's something you got to take care of.
Was bro just LARPing her for like the vlog or something?
No, shit? Bro.
Is he actually gonna do that that one message afterwards?
Dude, he actually likes her, bro. Like for 6. Yo, guys, if you're gonna spam the same question in chat, I'm gonna ban you. But bro, he literally was he was literally just fucking being like, dude, he drove like for 6 years, right? He drove her to like some dude's house apparently, like that she was like dating or like hooking up with, and waited. He's like on some Travis Hunter shit, bro.
No. Yeah, bro. That shit is.
And I feel bad, bro, because I'm like, I'm like, bro, like you're like, dude, you're a multi-millionaire, liquid. Like you have 500,000 cars, bro. If she doesn't like you, bro, and you've been this nice to her, bro, it's something wrong with her, not you, bro. And he was all depressed over it. I was like, bro, like, to be honest, like, she's the one, like, who's stupid as fuck. Like, you really got to think of it like that way. Like, how, like, he's a good dude. He's a good looking dude, bro. He's a good looking dude. I'm not even going to sit here and lie. He's a good looking dude. And he makes a fuck ton of money. And he's 22, right? So it's like, all right, no homo, obviously. I'm talking about my friend here, you know? And then it's like, he's the top 0.1%, and she's literally just like friend zoning him, bro. It's like, she's stupid. Like, she might be the idiot.
Where's he again? Lottie?
Yeah, Fort Lauderdale.
Fort Lauderdale? The party city. What do you expect?
No, but she's from upstate New York.
What the fuck?
Yeah. So it's like, dude, like, you see what I'm saying? Like, something just not adding up. Like, she just like low broed him.
For what? No reason.
For no reason. She's just stupid.
Little girl wants to have her fun.
Is Luke Vietnamese? Yes. Does Luke use footprints? No, only I do. Are you in a trade right now? No. As you can see on my screen, I just have buy limits. Currently, I'm not in a trade.
I've already parceled out. I just need to see if this will follow through or not. I'll get runners to reach lower. I'm already break even on my runners.
That's what I'm saying, right? You are so disrespectful. How am I disrespectful? I'm disrespectful for telling my friend that he shouldn't be with or he shouldn't be entertained. Like this is he took her to Disney after she friend zoned him. I don't like that. I don't like that he's being taken advantage of.
I'm just reading.
He likes to simp. I don't know. I think it's his first crush or like girl, like his high school, like a girl he likes from high school. But it's like also he's like,
The other guy is.
stay dodgy for yourself, bro.
Someone said, let my boy do the withdrawal method. Gradually withdraw from her and see her reaction. If she doesn't reach out, it's over for him.
No, she literally told him. She's like, hey, like, I don't know, like, so she would be leading him on, right? Got and chat. I want everyone to listen, right? Just so you guys know, I'm not like bullshit. She literally, he showed me her text where he would be like, oh, I'm working out. She's like, oh, why aren't you working me out? Like all these sorts of like flirty things she's saying to my friend, and like, you're going to like, she's like, oh, I don't know why you got the wrong impression. Like I wasn't looking for a relationship, blah blah blah. And then she starts mentioning other dudes she's been, and then I'm like, bro, it's fucked. It's so fucked. I feel so bad for him. It's not that he doesn't have self respect for himself, guys. I think it's literally just the first girl he's ever liked, and he tried being too much of a nice guy, to where like,
Right.
yo, chat, you guys, most of our chats are filled with guys right now. Let's be honest, right? You guys know, right? Like girls will fuck around with guys that they know they're not gonna marry long term. Like so they'll mess with bums, all that sort of shit, right? But then
Holy shit, Arsh is in the other one.
yeah, but the second,
I'm sorry.
the second you like they find someone that they see a future that makes money, that is good looking, blah blah blah, and they're like, oh, I can have a long term relationship with this guy. That's when they start acting like oh, I want to wait, I want to do this, blah, blah, blah. Not even that, but just like in his scenario where it's like she still wants to fuck around, but then eventually, like when it's too late, then she's gonna come around to him. By that time, hopefully he's moved on. I'm not talking about me. Did you get your hand tat lasered off yet, Arsh? Who's Arsh?
Yeah. Alright, old students. I don't even call him my student. He was munching on some other dude. So I left.
How did you come up with this name? I got it from Naruto.
Oh. Someone said Arsh tat humiliation ritual.
Shinobi gets teleplay? Hell no, bro. I just chart. I just trade.
Alright, 30 minutes in. We're doing pretty good.
I'm 20 minutes in. We're doing alright.
Yeah, consistent like 150. Yeah, man, can't complain. At least one person shows up, you know?
You always use this methodology? What type of methodology?
I'm gonna take a video for my guys.
I didn't know the owner of Disc was Alk. I don't know what that means, Luke, but he tagged you.
He wasn't the owner. I made it.
Yo, let's start beef with some random like traders.
No.
Yo, chat.
Dude, I hate that
Chat.
shit,
Yo,
bro.
chat. Who are we starting beef with? Isn't it likely the lows will just get taken? Yeah, most likely. But if it trades here, there's a good chance it bounces. If it doesn't, then stops me out here. Not the end of the world. Thoughts on Dutch? I don't know who that is.
He's a really cool kid. Dutch is a really cool kid.
I
I talked to him formally like 3 days ago.
You gotta introduce
Very
me. I
nice
have
guy.
no idea who that is. I'm not, guys. If is he on TikTok?
Yeah, yeah, yeah. He's one of Poway's
I
guys.
have no guys. I don't know anyone on TikTok. Riley Botha, who's that? GS Trades, who's yo? You guys are saying some like names I have no idea of, and that's no offense to the people you guys are saying. I just genuinely don't know many traders from like TikTok. I'm just, I'm just getting around. Why does your mic sound more crisp than Luke? Um, I probably just have a better mic. The other person streaming is Luke Tran. We're beefing with Alex Eubank. We actually could, bro. Didn't he try selling a course on day trading?
He did.
He didn't try.
Didn't try.
He
He did.
did. Yo, I still can't believe that.
Bro, I'm pretty sure that's how he bought his dad is GT63.
Bro.
His dad's dream car.
Dude, I can't believe people actually
No,
bought
Arsh.
it.
No, Arsh, I'm not gonna go to car week this year. I'll be in LA though.
What you doing in LA, Luke? Share with the audience.
Not doing shit.
Does he know how to trade?
Why? His son says, why do so many people hate on Eubanks?
So I don't know the main reason why people hate on Eubanks. I don't hate on him, but I just think it's unethical. Like, it's disrespectful for like someone to be a professional, call themselves a professional in some different industry like weightlifting, and then out of nowhere start selling a Discord or a mentorship for trading, for day trading. Like that's just not right, you know? Like that's
What's deadass describing me? No, but he's deadass to switch straight
no,
to it.
he didn't
I
he
took
didn't
like
he
2-3
didn't
years off social media
he
for
did
it though.
he was doing gym content and selling a day trading course. It's like that's how he made his money. But it's like, bro, you
Oh
were
no.
partnered with the Young LA, all these other things. It's like that's how you made your money, bro. Why are you lying?
I'm 6'1", right?
You
Yeah.
6'1". You're like 6'2", bro.
Depends if I'm in my shoes or
Yeah,
not.
no, definitely. Wob is like 5'3". My name a Wob Carey.
Have you ever met Keo? Have you ever met Keo in person?
No. But that's Wob. That's the other Vietnamese. I
Yeah.
told you I had a friend named Wob Tran. Keel's actually his middle name. You know, his first name was Cock.
Cook.
Yeah, however you say it. Quack. Quack Tran.
Dude, Keo said you're 5'3" horizontally. Holy shit.
Bro. That's too funny.
My mic, someone asked me about mic. It's like the Yeti Blue something. And then my camera is just my,
Aldrich,
what's it called?
yo, you should
My DJI.
you should get. I'll send you my audio setup, bro. You should get it. It's fire. Yo, chat. We have like no delay now. So if I tell you guys to spam one to the chat, like within 2 seconds, you guys will do it. See? See? It's happening. It's happening.
Nah, make sure I got a good good headset with a lot of padding because I'm putting that shit on hella.
I just got some studio
You
headphones. I
do.
got the Beyer Dynamic DT 990s.
Oh, I can speak Vietnamese.
I think
Dude, I used to be so fluent in Vietnamese until I went to like American school and like I just be hella good.
雪花飘飘，北风萧萧。
Alright, make or break for our trade. I'm at BE, so it doesn't matter.
I just wanted to pull back to my longs. 8 inches and thick. Audio Technicas, I have those too. I have the M50Xs. Is Owanda a good broker? I use AMP. Oh, guys, we're starting the 300 to 10K challenge next week.
Yeah.
Thoughts on UTN?
I need to take out the money.
Oh, yo, what's up, Rippy? Guys, shout out Rippy. Thoughts on UTN? I fuck with UTN, bro. But why is he posting Brez scales, bro? Where like you're unemployed trader news, bro, not unemployed freelance brand scaling. Yo, bro, he UTN posted me the other day. He was talking shit. Wait, what? Let's see what he posted about me. Top 5 day traders we will be sacrificing for nothing to gain. CRV, Will, ZK, Shinobi. Oh my gosh. Oh my god, I just felt the craziest shit. Yo, Luke. Holy, I don't like freelance brand scaling because it hurts, yo. Oh my gosh. Do you helicopter after a winning trade? Yes, I do. That's why I turn my camera off after every winning trade. Have you used Sierra charts? Yeah, I only use Sierra charts. I actually have a video on how to set it up. So if you go on my YouTube, I have a video on how to set up Sierra charts. Yo, chat, bro. This feels so good. I can finally talk to you guys without having to wait like 10 seconds. Like the 10-second delay. We finally fixed the stream delay. Guys, let's get a little Q&A going. And everyone, make sure you guys go on the stream and click the live button to make sure you're all the way at the end of the stream. Like where you're live, you're not behind on the stream. What's your favorite time frame? Probably the 5 minute.
Whoopsie.
Have you taken a trade
I
yet?
was talking to my pops.
No. What's my win rate? If I had to guess, probably around like 50%. Did you finish a 10 uh 10K? Dude, I've probably finished like wait, did I finish two 10K challenge? Dude, I finished probably like 7 10K challenges. Like 1 to 10K challenges. You ever chill with TJR? I did once. Do you guys want to hear the story? All right, fine. I'll tell you guys anyway while we're waiting. Basically, TJR was at in Miami, and I used to live in Miami in 2023. He wasn't as big as he is now, But him, more trades, Justin Werlin, I think, the other owner of 101 Funding, they pulled up, and I was hanging. Sick Boy Cole's at my house there, and then he's like, "Yo, I'm hanging out with these guys later. You should come." And I go there. They walked in, smoked all of Sick Boy Cole's weed, and left.
You know, I was there.
You were there?
You know, I was there during that FX Summit. FX Summit,
Yeah,
right?
yeah. I didn't go. I
Yeah, I
didn't
was
go to
there. I
FX
was hanging
Summit.
with TJR.
FX Summit
Yeah.
was.
Dude, I was chilling. I was chilling in TJR's spot when they were doing that shit. They're like, "Yeah, bro, I'm gonna dip for like a few seconds. Just chill here." That shit was so funny.
Yeah, bro. That shit was funny.
They tell me about it
No, because
more. That's the first time I met More and TJR and Johnny and like Justin Wetland.
dude, you know what's crazy? I didn't talk. Like, cause I wasn't smoking weed, so I was just sitting inside, and everyone else was just yapping up, and I didn't want my clothes to smell bad. So then I didn't talk to anyone except This was right around when TGR fronted more 10K, like right before.
For what?
He just gave him 10K just because more to quit his job and full time trade.
Damn.
Where were you in life when you started Shinobi Signals? I was actually right at the. So you guys know how gas stations have like a little convenience store. I made it inside of the gas station when I was working a shift because I used to watch Naruto, and I was like, oh, I want to make a Twitter for trading, and I made Shinobi Signals because people would be like Joe alerts or like something alerts, and I was like, oh, let me do Shinobi Signals. Get the big candle. Just type in PO3. Do you like fried chicken? Depends. To be honest, when I was younger, I used to love fried chicken, but now I'm not too much. I don't like fried chicken that much. I like beef more. Didn't you used to trade the 1 minute before? Yeah, but it's not my favorite time frame. My favorite time frame is the 5 minute. I trade the 1 minute now too, especially during New York session. The 10-year fair value gap we just tapped into, bro. What? Shows footprint charts, bro. Then people click off the stream because no one's gonna understand them. I stream them in the Discord. The Plumbus is in here, bro. Waited 30 years for a fair value gap. Hold on. There's no way that's true, right? How do you even get on the 10-year chart? Yo, how did we not notice this, Luke? We were on a yearly order block. I wonder I wonder what the market did on my birthday. What is this? This is the .com crash. Market rips 50%. Dumped. Bro, this crash is scary. Wow.
Or testing over back testing. Mm-hmm.
Market was red when I was born. And then after I was born, that shade never went lower. It's never been better. Vintage charts. New 4 hour just open chat. Oh, I hope this continues down. Fills us and then goes for this 4 hour high. That would be sick. What is something you and Luke disagree about in technical analysis? I don't know. I don't think we really sometimes we'll have a different outlook on the market, and then usually when that happens, one of us just don't like. I usually just don't even take a trade. Good God Almighty. Luke, what's your fill on shorts? All right, he's deafened. We're taking out those 4 hour highs. Probably. Let's see. Where'd you learn your strat? Sort of just on my own. I took a lot of inspiration from Umar Ashraf, obviously. He's the one who told me to start trading footprints. You're welcome, Nahal. Do you think Cole is a good mentor? I'm not going to comment on other people's mentorships. Thoughts on Lambo Raul? Should I FaceTime him right now? I actually helped him with order flow too. I'm calling him right now. I'm gonna get egoed. If I get egoed, we leak his phone number. Alright. He'll call me back within the hour. But nah, guys, the thing about a lot of traders that you guys ask me about, I like them as people, but trading wise, I don't really know too much about them. So I stay away from commenting on other traders unless it's like someone I really, really look up to. You know? So like I'll always comment on Umar's, tell you guys how great of a trader he is. But some traders, I'm really good friends with them, but I just don't know enough about their trading to make a comment on it. Right? Have you experienced really bad periods with psychology? Yes, I have. And the reason why and the reason, the way to get out of that sort of rut is basically go into your, like, dude, just journal every day. Literally write down your thoughts, daily thoughts, your goals, everything, every single day.
Yo, Shinobi, did I show you that button?
The button?
Here, here. I'll just send you a video. Button for the stream.
Oh, you did, you did, you did. You did show me the button.
Yeah, I be hamming the shit out of it.
Yo, Luke, hopefully this continues down to my fill so then we can long it to that 4 hour high.
Yep, I agree. I'm still have my runners running.
What are your thoughts on Dodgy's IFVG indicator coming out on the 30th? Should we ask him? Should we? You know what? I don't want to get ego twice today, but we'll call Dodgy anyways. Boom! Because I just called him. You fuck with Big Char? Yeah. Guys, I'm like really good friends with like every single trader, but I don't know too much about everyone's trading. I try not to look too deep into it. Ryan just texted me. My stream wants to say hi. Peyton is sleeping. I don't give a fuck. Okay. All right. He's scared. The girl that friend zoned him is sleeping next to him, and then he's like, "If I answer, you can't say anything about her." Okay, dude. I won't. He said, "Please be sure." I'm not going to. Did Charlie cuddle you? Charlie stayed at my house before. Yo. Hello? Dodge? Hold on, I'm gonna call him regular. Yo.
Yo.
Yo, my stream, they want to know about your... Alright, bet, FaceTime me. Yo, I'm on stream. Stream, say hi to Dodgy. They wanted to know about your indicator.
I know, wait, one second. Are you getting my FaceTime or no?
Yeah, I can see. I'm on your FaceTime right now.
Oh, you are? I don't see you.
Oh. Well, say hi to the stream.
Wait, one second.
Yo, this guy's stupid. He's called me to... Yo, can you see me? Alright, say hi to the stream, bro. Alright. They wanted to know about your indicator. They asked me my thoughts on it, and I said, I don't know. Let me just call Dodgy. Do you actually like the indicator? You think it's working?
Dude, low-key, yeah. And I'm like, dude, I'm like the least biased person, bro, because I don't know if you know this, but for like a year, 2 degrees of spamming me, like, oh, let's make an indicator, let's make an indicator. I'm like, I'm telling them, I'm like, bro, I don't use indicators, I never will, blah, blah, blah. You can't code my shit, you know, whatever. And then I met Josh in person. And when I met him in person, I kind of saw what he did a little bit. He kind of used mass model into an indicator. I'm like, okay, wait a minute. I'm gonna try it. I'm gonna have Tomasa. I'm gonna see if what he can code. And he started coding it, and I was like, okay, wait a minute. Like, it's not giving like, it doesn't give 100% perfect alerts, where it's like, it's not like it's not. So you know how like, so here's what I'll say. It gives out almost every single trade that I would take. Okay, so like almost every single trade I would take myself, like one trade a day, it's the indicator is catching those setups. The only downside is it will alert you of some really non-obvious setups that just they're shit setups, so I won't care about them.
Can I get early access to the indicator?
Yeah.
Bet.
Text Josh.
Alright, bet. I'm gonna text Josh right now.
And then you can be an affiliate if you want, and then just.
Alright, bet. I'll let you know.
Yeah. So like, yeah, I mean.
Wait, hold on. Yeah. Wait, I'm getting a call. Alright, guys, I wasn't getting a call. I'm not being an affiliate for that fucking indicator. Huracan G-Wagon C8. Bro, still, like, damn, bro.
I'm gonna start using that shit. I'm getting a call. Boom. Yeah, that's actually fucking funny.
Bro. We do it too on Alpha. Bro, you gotta support we do it too on Alpha. On what? Yo, Wob, no, I've never. Whenever I do that to you, I'm actually getting a call. Indicator for inverse fair value.
But it's just fire.
Wait, what's fire?
I'm eating canes right now.
Bro, I'm hungry, bro. I don't even know what to get.
Oh, this is so good.
Dude, there's Dave's hot chicken. Like, I don't even know what I want.
So Dave's.
I don't.
Dave's is fire.
Dave's is so ass, dude. It's so bad. What if someone inverses all plays from his indicator and makes money? I don't know. I don't know why you're asking me, bro. What do you think about the 50-minute inverse fair value gap? Wouldn't we expect it? I don't trade inverse fair value gaps like that, guys. But 15-minute invert.
Yeah, I said.
I don't see a 15-minute.
This guy said, "Do the Dave's Hot Chicken Reaper challenge for the stream."
Dude, I'm not doing that for the stream, bro. Like, you have lost your mind. Do you sell a course? No, I have a free course. So if you guys go to wap.com/shinobi-signals, we have a free A to Z course. And I have a free course uploaded on my YouTube channel.
Ecom. Trading.
Trading. I don't know what you asked, but I heard trading and I
Ecom is just. They said trading or ecom.
trading.
I mean, they're both good. But trading's like you could scale. I mean, everything can scale.
I'm 17. I want to start a personal brand, and you invested 6K. Honestly, you don't need the best cameras and stuff like that to start a personal brand. Like, to be honest, the reason, like, you guys aren't in my stream right now because I have good audio quality or a nice PC or a nice camera or whatever the case, right? Maybe you follow, that's what initially got your attention on Instagram, but you guys are on my stream right now because you guys fuck with me, right? Like, we haven't taken a trade yet. We've been waiting for a trade. We've been waiting for my limits to hit. Right? So we, as in everyone,
I took a short.
yeah, except Luke. But
Oh.
you guys get what I'm saying, right? Like, you guys have stayed here because you guys fuck with me. Wow, bro, go put your cat on the grill or something, bro. I don't want to hear it from you.
Holy shit.
Go get taken over by communists or something, bro. No offense, Luke. I know you also get caught in the crossfire on that one.
Bro, we should. I don't know what segments. Like, we should ask him what segments we should do. For
Yeah, guys, we should do some segments, bro. Guys, give us some good ideas for some segments you guys would like to see.
Mm-hmm. Like, obviously bringing other traders on, but then what else?
Like fun stuff that you guys would enjoy. That's like entertaining.
Mm-hmm.
Do a Kahoot for the YouTube live stream. I would have to make a new one.
But didn't you do that yesterday?
I did that for my Discord yesterday.
Sounds like give away a Lambo.
Give away a Lambo? Alright, bet. So Luke said he's down to host that giveaway and fund it.
Holy shit. Yeah, I got it.
The Asian just came out of him. Holy shit. There's nothing to test the people on YouTube? Yeah. Maybe we should do a chart champs competition.
Yeah. Chart champs competition.
We could do that, but I wouldn't want to promote chart champs. I'd need them to sponsor the stream. We're big time now. We have 132 people. What about surprise my mod with a Porsche 911 GT3 RS 2025 full carbon package? I was gonna do that, but since you guessed, I'm not gonna do it. Just do the Robbins Cup, bro. The Robbins Cup, bro.
Someone said squirt competition.
Bro, what? Play Scribblio, but custom made words for trading? I was about to say, can't they put they can draw some nefarious things on Scribblio though. Can you explain why your long limit is there? We have an order block here. I'll draw it out for you guys. I don't know why I haven't drawn it out yet.
Someone asked, is Shinobi actually making money from trading, or is it just his gas stations?
Yo, I don't have any gas stations anymore.
Anymore?
I never had a gas. I just wanted to say that. It felt cool in the moment to like LARP like I had a gas station.
Hold up.
But everyone that I know is getting out of the gas station business.
It used to be popping.
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't know what to do for like segments other than bring other traders on.
What would you guys?
We need to brainstorm.
Yeah.
So
today, we'll brainstorm tonight.
Okay, did I hear every single crunch?
You invest into other IRL assets
Or
with
no, my
trading
bad.
profits? Yes. The concept of order block and how you understand them. This is why you guys should join the free trial for the Discord. Join the free trial, and then if you go here, you have order block simplified, and then it goes over everything you need to know to understand order blocks really simply. And then you just join the free trial, cancel your subscription, download all the PDFs we have, and then you're good to go. And it was all for free. I just taught you guys how to scam me. And if you guys want the free trial, it's the first link in the bio.
Price has been so slow during Asia, dude. We literally hopped off, and like right when I went to bed,
Mm-hmm.
London really just started flying.
Yeah, dude. I can't do you like that.
Woo!
Trust me, bro. It's not. It's not hurting. It's not hurting my pockets, bro. We're good. As long as someone, I'd rather you guys join the free trial, steal all the education, learn from it, and then after, don't steal it and fucking sell it. That would piss me off. But steal it, learn from it, make enough money, then join back in the future. I'd rather that than you guys join with your last dollar. Which buy limit do you have more faith in? The lower one? Yeah. I like the lower buy limit better. Dude, Luke is fucking that Canes up right now, bro.
Bro, I had to fucking munch it because I didn't want to leave my mic on so low for like a fat minute. Yes, we are due to go to all-time highs. Not like right now, but within the next
Yo,
month,
guys, what's your
I do
go-to
presume.
McDonald's order? Asking for a friend. Favorite trader? Probably Umar Ashraf. What are you trading? Is it NQ? It's NQ. What's your target? My target would be this high. Or this, if... Oh, I don't like that we just put a new high on the 4 hour. It's gonna go without me. In the arms of the angel.
40 nuggets? Holy shit.
40 nuggets? What the
Dude, why is,
fuck? Who is this? Mark Henry?
dude, why is your chat booming?
Is that Mark Henry, bro?
Dude, your chat is booming way more than mine. What the fuck? Bro, someone goes, here goes Shinobi talking about McDonald's.
Two
Holy shit.
McDoubles, free medium fries, large iced. Bro, they're dropping like secret menu items right now. 40 fucking nuggets. Holy shit. Two McDoubles, free medium fries.
Losed.
Yo,
Just didn't fully play out.
this might be a fat fuck move, but I used to take the McChicken and put it in between the McDouble, and it would be called a McGangbang. Have you guys ever had that? What's the difference between a double cheeseburger and a McDouble?
Yeah.
Yo,
I don't know. I'm not a McDonald's expert, bro.
you don't have to struggle like us, man. No, I'm playing.
The only thing I get from McDonald's is like a Big Mac. Are we play hide and seek again later on Fort?
Yeah.
Mm. Yeah, I can use Tradevate to execute. So much better to see shit on there than on TradingView itself.
Check your Discord. Don't show it to the stream. Do you know the trader Colin Jones? I don't. I really don't know a lot of other traders, guys. I just be staying in my lane, doing what needs to be done.
Oh my god.
You see that, Luke?
Bro. Yeah, no. What if my stream just saw that? That was low-key funny. That shit was mad funny. Dude, this shit went extendo, bro. Yeah, that's funny as shit. But yeah, I do see it.
Bro. What did I tell you?
What a shame. What a shame. How much did I lose before becoming profitable? A shitload. To be honest. Like, I was just putting every paycheck into Robinhood. Lost a lot, lost a lot, lost a lot. Got chopped around and then I actually decided to like, yo, what am I doing?
Is that your entry?
Learn some technical analysis.
These are limit orders right now, guys, which doesn't seem like are gonna get filled.
It's divergence I like. They could pop us down.
$817.5 looks good for a short. It's that 1 minute gap. So the reason I like 817.5, guys, is we have this basically unicorn setup here where we have a breaker block that also is inside of a fair value gap. I want to see it trade to like the top quarter of this breaker block or this unicorn setup for rejection, but it already rejected here. But I'd like to see us get up there if we could. And also, this is the furthest PD array from this low that we put in. So that's usually a higher probability PD array. So when you guys are always, so how many, type 1 in the chat if you guys trade like fair value gaps and stuff and you'll hop into a fair value gap that feels like a setup, right? It feels like an A plus setup, but then you hop in and then immediately it just fails. Type 1 in the chat if that's ever happened to you. Happened to Harry, happened to Victor, yeah. So the reason that usually happens, right? What a lot of you guys will do is you'll draw out this fair value gap here, try shorting it, right? You'll draw out this fair value gap here and try shorting it. And why it doesn't work out is you're first of all, you need to always be conscious of are we trading at a premium or discount, right? So you always draw out from the high to the low, the 50% range, right? So don't take any fair value gaps. If you're looking to short, only short in the top half. If you're looking to long, only long in the bottom half, right? So here, you wouldn't take this fair value gap automatically. This one, it's already here. It's in the premium, so you're like, oh, I'll just take this one. But the reason you don't take that one is because there's another one all the way up top, right? So when you're trading, you always want to trade the furthest PD array. So if there's a PD array here, the reason we don't take this one is because we're trading inside of a discount still. Over here, we don't take it because there's one that's still further away. The furthest one is where the initial imbalance happened, right? So the first fair value gap that happened, this is the first imbalance that caused that basically made the buyers that were buying up here, the sellers took over on this imbalance, and we had an imbalance of sellers that caused this move down. Then this was just momentum from the sellers. But this is the overall important area, the first fair value gap that's made on the reversal that symbolizes, hey, this is where the market should reject from because this is where the sellers initially stepped in, right? The reason why fair value gaps work, right, and the reason we look at these imbalances in the first place is you want to think of it like sort of like painting, right? How many of you guys have painted a wall here before? Type 1 in the chat. Painted a wall, painted your house, whatever the case, right? You take a brush, you put it in the paint, and then you slowly are brushing the walls, right? Now, what happens when you take a bunch of paint and then you take the brush and then you move it really fast, right? You move that brush really fast. When you're doing it slowly, you're doing this, right? You're getting all the spots covered. When you do it really fast, right? You leave gaps in between. So now think of that in terms of trading, right? You dip into liquidity, meaning you're dipping into the paint, right? Then from there, what you're doing is you're painting, then you paint really fast. Now there's still spots left, right? There's still spots left on the paint or on the wall from when you painted. So the market has to come back to this level, fill in those spots that it missed, and then continue back in the direction you were painting, right? That's like an easy analogy for you guys to sort of understand how fair value gaps work. Because when you understand, a lot of people, they'll trade, but you guys won't understand why a fair value gap would work or why an order block works, right? But once you sort of understand exactly why they work, it helps you trade them better, right? So it's like basketball. When you're shooting and everyone's like, "Oh, keep your left arm straight," and then shoot off these two fingers. Until you understand why you need to be doing that, you won't do it and you won't consider it important, right? So you always need to be understand. First of all, learn the concept, but understand why the concept works. Yeah, most of my trades are wins, guys. So I always have a 10-point stop loss, right? Let's get that clear. I always have a 10-point stop loss, but when I'm trading, I'm not always going for a 2R like most people, right? I'll usually go for 4, 5, 6R. So when my trade goes to 2R, I'll move my stop to break even. I'll get stop break even. So my win rate is it's honestly very dynamic, and there's a lot of moving parts to actually finding out my order flow. Well, how's your limit there, by the way? So my limit was here because if we take this breaker block plus fair value gap, this is called a unicorn setup, right? If we go here and we mark out the high and the low, and then we find the 50% range. Then we go ahead and then we find the 50% of that 50% and the top half, we have my fill. So most people, they just trade the consequent encroachment. I like trading the further part of the 50% and then trading the 50% of that because that's usually where the market will go to and have a better entry. Because for me, I'll miss out. Like, guys, look, I'll miss out on multiple trades if it means I get one trade with a really good entry. What's your limits there? My limit at the top is 817.5. Yo, Wob. Are you still in the stream, Wob? Wob. Wob, can you write out all my? I'm gonna send a screenshot in the Discord. Can you just write out all my limits and then post them in the Discord when people ask? Short and long FVGs as if we're in a discount or in a premium. Just guys, if you need me to explain something again, just rewind the stream to when I explained it. No, I don't mark the high and low of the pre-market. I only mark out the 50% guys when I'm looking at the most recent leg in the market. So this was the most recent leg. Over here, I would have marked out this as the most recent leg. I always mark out the previous swing points. It took me about a year and a half to become profitable. So I don't trade Powell's model, so it doesn't matter. But what I like to explain for you guys, right? When I first started trading, my first profitable year was 2021. My goal that year was to make $50,000 trading. I didn't make anything trading up until June 2021. Actually, I did make money in January, but June 2021, I was pretty much unprofitable. And then June 2021, I made, I think, $102,000. Then I had 4 back-to-back six-figure months trading. Like, it's slow, and then it happens all at once with trading. At least for me. I'm looking at the 1 minute time frame right now. Bro, I was explaining and McDonald's closed, bro. Flip. What changed? So it's what changed isn't just like, oh, I started trading this strategy or that strategy. What changes is like you make enough mistakes over and over and over again, guys. Right? You make enough mistakes over and over that you'll just get so tired of losing that you're just like, okay, I'm going to lock in and just follow my rules and see what happens. And then when you follow your rules and just see what happens, there you go. I started trading with support and resistance when I first started. It wasn't from prop firms. I used to trade options when I did that. What do you think the orb strat? One of my mods actually trades orb and he's pretty profitable with it. I personally don't trade it, but I do like the strategy. I like the simplicity of it. Who's Raja? About to get that fill. Let's see. How many trades do you take per day? Usually 1 or 2. Sometimes I'll trade more. It really just depends if the market is hot or not. It's 325 321. Should I sleep and no trade or put limit order and sell and sleep? Just go to sleep, bro. Go to sleep. We'll trade in the morning tomorrow. Go to sleep. We'll trade in the morning, bro. Always another day to trade, man. You don't want to wake up and be ready because I'm probably going to trade London session as well. Win rate's around 50%. But my average risk to reward is 3 to 4.
Alright, I'm back. Well, we got like 30 minutes left here, yeah?
Yeah. Dude, it's been edging my fill all day.
For sure. For sure.
Yeah. I was trying to short 17.5. Are your morning sessions free on here? My morning sessions are not free, but we have a free trial for the Discord. So if you guys want to join that, it's the first link in the description. It's a 7-day free trial. You cancel before the 7 days, you won't get charged. You'll be able to trade live with me. But if you forget to cancel, then we'll just refund you if you want your money back and you don't like the Discord. It's literally risk free. You're joining and it's literally risk free. Wait, Luke. Shinobi signals. Were you ever in a rush to make money trading? I was in the biggest rush. I was in such a big rush when I first started. How many hours do you sleep? I'll answer that in a second here. How many hours do you sleep? So for me, I'll sleep like 4 or 5 hours a day, and then on the weekends I'll sleep in. So I'll sleep probably like from 6 to 9:30, or like 7 to like 11, and I'll take like a nap.
Yep.
Yep.
What's good? But yeah, that's nuts. Oh. Oh, okay. Actually, no. Okay. Fire. I think we have to as well. You think we got it?
Got what?
How long? It's gonna be a long stream.
I'll see. In your AM sessions, are you breaking it all down or just taking trades? I'm breaking it all down. Like, and I'm also sharing my order flow screen and breaking that down. Is Luke short as
I'm
well?
quite a few questions.
Luke, are you short?
No. I'm gonna answer quite a few questions, so I'm gonna deafen up. I don't want to talk over you and
all
stuff.
good. Are you bearish? Nope. Wait. Yeah, I am. I don't know why I said nope. I'm bearish down to this. How do you mark your premium and discount? All right, guys. So to mark premium and discount, instead of using the fibs, I like using the gone box. So you just find that over here. It's right here. And then you just click on it, go to settings. And these are my settings for the gone box. If you guys want to screenshot and copy these, it's really not that much. Like, boom, and then boom. 50%. You mark out 0, 0.5, and 1, and that way you have it. No, I'm in a house right now. Asia session, low liquidity, why bother? Because it's way more fun to trade, in my opinion. New York was chopping all day today. What time frame you put it on? Depends. It could be the 5-minute, 1-minute, whichever one. It doesn't matter. It really depends on market context. Like here, I'm looking for a setup on the 1 minute. I'm going to draw it out on the 1 minute. Do you use HTG? No, I don't think so. I want to say thank you for streaming during Asia London. Appreciate all the knowledge. It's all good, bro. I appreciate you guys for being here. Do you use level 2? Technically. You've seen people be profitable with trend lines and bear flags? Yeah, bro. It really just depends. It's not like the trade. You don't become a better trader by trading a different strategy, right? You become a better trader by being a better risk manager. So you need to be a risk manager first and a trader second. You can make money with any strategy. You bought your own house and you're already in your 20s? Yeah.
Order
All right,
filled.
looks like I just got filled. Crazy way to get filled. So here on this trade, guys, we're risking $400. Let's see what it does. Don't focus on making money, guys. Just focus on getting better every single day. The second you stop focusing on the journey and you only focus on the money is the second you get worse. The way I look at it, bro, LeBron didn't go into the NBA just to make money. He went in because he just wanted to be the best at the game he loved. You know? That's how you have to look at trading, in my opinion. We don't need negative energy in the chat, bro. I don't know what the fuck you thought this was. This is a dictatorship, bro. If I don't like you, you're getting timed out. No one talks shit about LeBron and gets away with it in here. Where would you target? Right now I'm just targeting this 4-hour low to see if we get this.
Are you logging?
No, I shorted. But it's not looking too good.
Holy. Well, my brother.
Dictatorship. She on toes. What? Are you trying to copy the Discord emoji into here? We should get some emojis in the chat. Make some for the community.
I don't know how to cover my camera. Hold up. I need to go help my brother do some shit, but I want to cover the camera because they're gonna walk past. Bum bum bum. Bum bum bum. Bum bum bum. Bum bum bum. Bum bum bum.
You got hella D. How much the course? I don't have a course. I have a free one on YouTube though. Guys, go vote LeBron or MJ. I want to see. What you guys think. LeBron's winning right now. 64% of people here agree. 70%. At this point, I think if you think Jordan's better, you're just trying to be different. Jokic clears. You're crazy. You are my sunshine, my only sunshine.
You going for it after your trade?
Fort.
Yeah, after your
I'm
trade.
down. I need the course. There's a free one on YouTube,
Fire.
bro. The type forms for something. It's a one-on-one mentorship thing, but some stupid shit. You don't gotta worry about it.
Your shorts do look reasonable.
And I can't sleep right now. Why? Nice rejection.
Press is moving.
Tell Luke to let you play too, bro. We're not playing, guys. Maybe one day we'll let you. If you guys are in the stream enough every single day, and I recognize your name, we'll let you guys play with us. Like we let that guy, like Joel. But if you're not in the stream often, guys, it doesn't make sense. Because you guys could say something like, it could be a little weird. But if I see you guys in the stream, like for like a week straight, I'll play with you guys. You'll name your first child after me? Dude, please, bro. I'm gonna trim some on my...
Order filled.
Guys, I'm trimming some here. I'm trimming and moving stop to break even. Just securing my consistency on my other, my fundeds. Name your kid Top Tit? Hell yeah.
What did my parents think when I said I'm a trader? They did not like it for a while. For a long while.
Did any of you guys catch that trade and get some trims off? Type 1 in the chat if you guys made some money on that trade so far. Even though it's not a lot, it's Asia session. We only made 15 points. But I copy traded that across a bunch of accounts, so it's working out. Damn. Dude, I got so many signal bots in here right now. Do you post trade recaps? Yeah, in the Discord. And on YouTube.
Really? You do it? You post them to YouTube?
I did. I do like once a week.
I just do it about
My
Discord.
favorite firm, it's Alpha for beginners and then Apex for people who are just trying to scale. I'm gonna give the Shino middle name to my child if I get to the bag if you help.
Shorts here don't look horrible.
All right, I gotta stop break even on the remainder. That's why I always move my stop to break even, guys. It could still go down, but I like to protect my positions, especially like a volatile news day like today. I'd rather be safe than sorry. Oh my god, why did I put my stop to break even? Yo, chat, what the fuck? Why did you guys tell me to put my stop break even? This is all your guys' fault. Who are we blaming for getting stopped out break even on our runners? Who are we blaming? All right, you guys put 2 names in the chat, put 3 or 4 names, and we're voting on someone. We're voting on someone. You know what? I'm running a poll. We're doing Travis.
What did I do?
Luke. I'm We're adding a bunch of names. Manoli, Subs, Splooge.
Yo, I'm probably gonna. Look at my iMessage.
All right. Who are we blaming, guys? Who are we blaming for getting stopped out? Type it in the chat. Who's the blackest? I'm gonna blame him. Probably Splooge.
Wait, did no one vote for me? Or was it only
No,
4?
it's only 4. Luke Tran. We should have put Luke Powell. Yo, guys, we'll have Powell on the stream this week. We just need that stupid Norwegian to wake up. Blame Tig for this
I
one.
don't think this week. Probably next week.
Yeah, we'll have him on during the lives. What happened to the trade? I got stop break even on my remainder. But to be honest, it still looks like it's going to go down. It's going to go without me. I'm going to keep these buy limits, though. I'm going to keep these buy limits here as long as we don't take out this high. But guys, I'm going to hop off here. If you guys want... If you guys want to join the free 7-day trial and live trade with me New York session every single day, I'm spamming the link in the chat. Cancel before the 7 days. You won't get charged. After 7 days, if you forget to charge, we'll refund you if you don't want to be in there. But literally join, and this is what I want you guys to do. Join, right? Go to the blueprints. Download all of these. Learn from these. Set up the course. Learn all that. Watch all the videos. Take all the alerts, blah, blah, blah. Make as much money as possible and go from there. All right? You don't have to stay in there and like whatever. Like, just do what you got to do. All right? Stay online. Guys, every day from 9 p.m. to 11, I'll be live. All right? We'll be live 2 hours every night. And then if the situation arises, we will we'll go live at take my money I just made on the shorts to stay live, bro. Take my money. You guys are too funny. But yo, I'll see you guys in the Discord. Let me know that you guys just joined from the thing. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the Discord, and we'll be live again tomorrow at 9 p.m. So make sure you guys like up the stream so it recommends it to you if you forget. And make sure you subscribe with notifications on. Watch all the YouTube videos. Guys, I post so much free education that it hurts, bro. That so many of you guys will go, like, whatever, go dilly-dally after this. Go watch the YouTube videos, guys. You'll become a better trader. I guarantee you. All right? We just top-ticked this shit. We just top-ticked the market for you guys. You guys see it happen. But, everyone, I'll see you guys tomorrow night. I better see the same names. And yeah, I love you guys. Thank you so much for the support recently. It means a lot to me. Peace out, everyone.